Hello and welcome back to Ottershaw Cacti. I'm Lottie, and in this video I'm going to show you how to propagate your Crassulas the easy way. But first, what is a Crassula? Crassulas are a genus of succulent plants, with the most popular being the Crassula ovata, also known as the Jade Plant. They are super easy to grow and even easier to propagate. The first way is stem cuttings, the easiest way to propagate your Crassulas. You will need sharp secateurs and a small pot with free draining compost. Step 1. Cut a healthy stem around 3 to 4 inches long, ideally with a few leaves on it. Remove the bottom leaves if needed to expose the node. Let it callus over for 7 to 10 days to prevent rot. The fatter the cutting, the longer you should leave it to callus over. Step 4. Plant it upright in the centre of the pot. Wait around 3 to 5 days before watering and keep it in a bright, indirect sunlight location until the roots develop. Next is leaf propagation. Now, this is a lot harder and has a much lower success rate, but it still can be done. Step 1. Gently twist off a healthy whole leaf. It must come off clean to propagate it. Step 2. Let it callus over for 7 days. Place it on top of free draining compost and lightly mist every few days. After 2 to 3 weeks, you'll see tiny roots or even baby plants forming. Here are some quick tips you can use to help you with your propagation. Number 1, make sure you use free draining compost. Number 2, make sure you use a pot with drainage holes so the excess water can run straight through. And number 3, put it in a bright, indirect sunlight location, but also be patient. And that's it, 2 easy ways to turn one Crassula into many. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you've got any questions.